when I had my stroke, I thought my life was over. Everything I knew, my independence, which I didn't have independence at the time, but I wanted independence, my plans for the future, my sense of self, it was stripped away from me by a single moment. As I woke up, I was just like that. And the pain that followed, it was overwhelming. It was just like, what can I call it? It was just a blur in the making. And the truth is, I discovered pain doesn't have to break you. It can build you and you can turn it into a power. And at that exact moment, I am rebuilding. And this was a year ago when I took it seriously. Obviously, like when you're young, I did it when I was 6, like you don't take into account how severe it was. But when I thought like this, everything just changed. No one likes to admit pain will either shape you or make you sharper, and the choice is yours. Pain strips away comfort, and it exposes weaknesses, but also reveals the strength that you didn't know you had. And the secret is, pain isn't the end, it's the beginning. And that's the raw truth that you've got to take away. But make sure you celebrate those micro wins, because those micro wins mean a lot. If you keep on doing it, if you keep on getting micro wins, it will build up to basically a big win. I set my environment up so I have my journal on my desk at night, so when I wake up I can just go and sit. I stretch, so I clear floor where I don't have to like move anything. I can just like wake up and then do my stretching, things like that. Just make sure you have three things that you have to do. And I share my daily goals with someone who I trust, and when motivation fails, accountability kept me in the fight. And every morning I rated my energy from a scale of 1 to 10. If it's a 1, then just do one thing that will keep you progressing, and then if it's a 10, I can do it all. But just keep it going every day, and when you drop off, you basically say to yourself, you can't be bothered to do what your exercises. But rebuilding after a stroke isn't glamorous, so I stopped seeing myself as a victim and start seeing myself as a builder. And that's what you should do, just brick by brick, day by day. Just the whole process just became different. But I wasn't waiting to go back, I was just building forward. Pain could have destroyed me, and instead I chose to turn it into a power. And that power is what rebuilds my body, my mindset, and my future, if I keep on doing the things that I am doing now. If you're in the middle of your own struggle, just do the things that are in this video. That will help. And whether it is a stroke, a disability, or something else, I don't want you to waste the pain that you have. It just shapes you and turn that power into that just drives you forward if you let it. Because at the end of the day, your pain is not the end of your story. It's the foundations to actually come back. But If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.